Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a keyboard auto typing problem on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First you need to unplug the keyboard cable and plug it properly and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then you just need to go to search menu and type keyboard problem. Comes up find and fix keyboard problems. Click on open it. Select this advanced and you just need to check mark this option guys, apply repairs automatically, and then select next, and this will direct issues guys. After getting troubleshoot done, select close the troubleshooter and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it, expand the keyboard section over here, and you just need to right click on the keyboard driver and select uninstall device. And after uninstalling it, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, Windows will automatically reinstall the driver we deleted. After that you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.